Okay, quick question here. Is it okay to run my clutch cable like this and have a 90-degree curve like this? It seems to work fine. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing something like that. And then on the front here, I just have it kind of sloping down. Just trying to find the cleanest look. This is the throttle cable, but that's not hooked up yet. That needs a lot cut off of it. Way too much clutch cable here. But so looking for something like that, I guess. Ignore this for now. It's way too long. And then I'll tie it somehow underneath, I guess, till I get here. Anyway, any reason why I shouldn't do that?